Hello dear students, welcome back to Sajjan Biology classes. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the introductory part of molecular basis of inheritance. And before getting into the chapter, we have studied that pattern of inheritance in the chapter called Principle of Inheritance and Variation. At the time of Mendel, the factors or the genes were regulating the pattern of inheritance, but they did not give a clear statement about it. And over the next hundreds of years, the scientists came to know that DNA which acts as a genetic material. And in the first year, the chapter called biomolecules. In that chapter, you have studied what is that? The nucleic acids and the polymer of nucleotides. The same things, just we are extending, that's it. And where there are two types of nucleic acids, basically one is that deoxyribonucleic acid and another one is that ribonucleic acid. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ deoxyribonucleic acid act as a genetic material, but even the ribonucleic acid RNA also it act as a genetic material only in some viruses, and even it plays very significant role according to their functions. Sometimes it acts as an adapter molecule, which one? RNA. Sometimes which act as a messenger molecule, and sometimes it acts as a catalytic molecule. According to their function it acts. And let us discuss about the structure of the DNA. And actually the DNA, it is made up of nucleotides anta karitivi ನಾವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು polynucleotide chain of DNA anta karitivi. Okay. And before discussing about the structure of DNA, we must know that about the nitrogen bases. There are 4 types of nitrogen bases. One is that adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. And in this we have made 2 groups. One is that purines and pyrimidines. What are purines and what are pyrimidines? So purines are nothing but a double ringed structures and pyrimidines are nothing but a single ringed structures. And here where that nitrogen bases, when it combines with a sugar, it becomes a nucleoside. So means when adenosine it combines with sugar, it is called deoxyadenosine, and when guanine it combines with the sugar, it becomes deoxyguanosine, and when the cytosine it combines with the sugar, it becomes deoxycytidine. When the thymine it combines with the sugar, it becomes deoxythymidine. When this nitrogen bases and sugar plus phosphate, means in simple, when the nucleosides when combines with the phosphate group, it becomes a nucleotide. So you can see here, what is that? So it's just you consider this is what? Nucleotide. Okay, sorry, nucleoside. So deoxyadenosine when it combines with the phosphate, deoxyadenylic acid, when it combines with phosphate group, so guanine plus sugar group, it becomes deoxyguanosine. When it combines with the phosphate group, it becomes a nucleotide. So what it becomes? The deoxyguanylic acid. So like that, the nucleotides it forms. Okay. And you can see here, these are what? The nitrogen bases, and this is what? Sugar, and this is what? The phosphate group. And here between the nitrogen bases there are bonds, and these bonds are called hydrogen bonds we used to call. Okay. And you can see the bond between the nitrogen bases and the sugar, it is called a glycosidic bond we used to call. Which one is that? It is called glycosidic bond we used to call. And the bond which is present between the phosphate group and the sugar, and this group is nothing but, what is that? Phosphodiester bond we used to call. Okay. And do you know that I told you the DNA is nothing but a polynucleotide strand. So just you can see here, the what is that? Nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. You can see this is what? The phosphate, sugar and nitrogen base. When it combines with these, we can call as a nucleotide. So there are many repetition of nucleotides. That is the reason we used to call as polynucleotide. Poly means many, nucleotides you know, and means many nucleotides are joined one by one and it forms a structure called the DNA. This is what about the basic information, and we can discuss in detail about the further concept in the coming video. So until that, take care. Bye, and please like, share and subscribe.